Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us for your coding demo session. From your coding, we welcome all of you. Thank you so much for your valuable time to spending with us. Before going into session, I would like to introduce your coding team. Myself, I am Usha. I am IT consultant. I am having 14 years of experience in MNC companies. With many technologies, I have experience. And I'm a Google certified educator. And my passion, teaching and working with different technologies. Okay, namaste for welcome. With me, my colleague, Mr. Appireddy. He is also an IT consultant. He is having 22 years of experience in finance and IT as well. He also working with one of the MNC company. Hello, Appireddy.
Hi. Hi everyone. Welcome all. Our aim is to bring the younger generation into the future coding. Okay. Thank you for joining with us today.
Thank you, Appireddy.
Awesome.
With me, Vanita. She is also an IT consultant, but she is expert in educational form. And she is also a Google certified educator. Currently, she is working with one of the reputed school in IT. Hi, Vanita.
Hi all. So my name is Vanita. I'm IT professional, mostly work in the education sector. My passion is to help or train the students who are interested in programming and coding. I hope in this session you are going to learn what is your coding and what are our concepts. Now Ms. Visha will explain you what are the concepts.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Vanita. Before that, here is the main reason why you are coding is here because of Mrs. Ramadevi, the principal Springboard Academy. It is her wish and her dream to bring coding into picture, and she wanted to introduce to her students and her community around her, bring the children into coding era. So when she met with us and she expressed her views and her interest about the coding classes for the children and what the dynamic changes in the current era, it's really required the coding concepts to the children, and we really admired her wish, and that's why you are coding is here. Now the dynamic lady, Miss Rama, she will introduce herself. Miss Rama.
Yeah, thank you, Isha. Namaste, all of you. This is Rama Devi, working as a principal in Springboard Academy School. I'm very happy to introduce you coding classes through your coding, and I appreciate your coding for encouraging and accepting my request and bringing to the platform and offering everyone equally giving a chances to them to learn coding at their younger level. So I wish them all the best and thank you very much.
Thank you, Rama. That's all the UR coding team, and I would like to tell you what is your coding team aim. As I told you, we are in 21st century and we are into coding era, technology era. So our aim to bring next generation into future coding. The next generation, the children, we want to bring them into future coding level and bringing them the technology era. And it doesn't matter, all children should have an equal opportunity where they came from and who they are. It doesn't matter to us, anyone can join with us. It's not just limited to children. Anyone who are interested about the coding, who wanted to go to technology era, come and join us. There is no limitation. And our aim to inspire everyone through coding invention with fun and play mode. Not just a curriculum or the bookish reading. No, not like that. Our aim, we wanted to give this platform with fun and play. So anyone can join with us, and our aim to bring the people into future coding. What children learn through this your coding. Miss Rama will take it over and explain you guys what her wish and what she wanted to introduce through this coding. Rama,
Yeah.
please take on.
Here, I would like to tell to all the parents, we are working with the 21st century children So we have to introduce the technology, what is there in their contemporary world. It is our duty as a parent. So upgrading our children level in education. See, we are parents' dream. Every parent dream is my child should do something more than me. This is the dream of every parent. Even I'm also a parent. I felt like that, and I made my children, and I gave a best education for them. As well as the next generation parents also dream the same. So now we are in the era of computer. As Usha said, we are in the era of coding. So when we have an opportunity, we should invite it and we should make it utilize and we should give to our children. It's the foremost duty of every parent. So now it's time to upgrade your children's ability. Still now, a theoretical education, physical education we have seen. After pandemic, we have seen online education. And now it's the time for coding. So this opportunity also we have to open doors for our kids. So when we are upgrading the level of a child, science and mathematics, we cannot leave it out. It's a part of life. Mathematics is ever life, science is ever life. So to make our children perfect in mathematics and science, we have to give excess knowledge in that two subjects, especially. Language, anyway, they learn from you or from they themselves, from friends or from the society they live around. But coming to mathematics and science, it should be done by the teacher or by the subject or the device what they have in their hand. Today, every child is playing with the device. So that device helps a child to think what I have to learn from here. So give the device to learn coding rather than complaining my child is playing with a device. Give them a device to learn coding. Then automatically they start thinking and they start creating and they start learning and they start demonstrating and they create wonders. Maybe your child may be a future code cracker. Who knows? They will analyze the things. First, they start thinking and they start creates and they start analyzing and finally they demonstrate to the world their own creation. So let us give an opportunity to your child to create something and let us upgrade our children by joining in your coding. We are here to make your kids to be a coding crackers, future coding crackers, rather than using the technology. Creator of a technology. We are planning to make every child to be a creator of the technology. So I hope all the parents will utilize this opportunity to upgrade your children's level in the coding. And ER coding is welcoming everyone. We are here. So thinking, creation, analyzing, demonstration. These are the four uh, root levels of ER coding. Helps your child to become a good coding cracker. Thank you.
Thank you, Rama. That's wonderful. That's what her vision to bring the child's inner potential and introduce to parents what level they are and what they are going to become. Now, how your coding is going to teach your children all these concepts. Let us see one sample demo which is created by Vanita, and later I will explain you what is the platform we are using to teach these four skills. Okay, Vanita, take on.
Hi everyone. Now I'll take you through the demo video. Uh, Please watch the video. This is our sample animation video, which is developed using our coding platform. Thank you for watching our video. Now Ms. Lisha will explain you what is this concept.
Thank you all. Now, whatever the video you watched, this is created by using a coding tool called Scratch. Okay, so here what your coding is going to give you through Scratch. As we told you, the your coding is focusing mainly on 4 skills from the child to bring it down: thinking, analyzing, creativity, and demonstration. So what happens to know, first of all, to bring those 4 concepts, first of all, you guys to understand what is coding. In a broader concept, coding is a method of communicating with computer by using different languages that a computer can understand and to give instructions to perform specific function. This is the broader way to tell about what is coding. But for a child to understand that, it is very difficult. So here what we did, we are using a system called Scratch. That Scratch is a visual programming language developed to help to simplify up creating a program, animations, games, music, interactive sessions, and many more. Child no need to go this kind of coding and break their heads. They simply go to Scratch, a simple drag and drop concept which used here. In it, they have all these skills gained. We are using a platform called CS Fast. This is a web-based program that exposes student to computer through videos by using Scratch. Okay, so drag and drop blocks allow your children to learn code easily without breaking their head. It's a simple skills. It has all the 4 problem solvings, graphic designs, animations, and they can do their own stories, everything. The Scratch looks like this with some blocks and some events in it, everything. So now Vanita will show you a live demo how to create by using Scratch, a live demo session. Vanita, take on.
Hi, now I'm going to show you exactly what students are going to learn. Okay, so this is basically an online platform where easily students can start coding. And this is not just a drag and drop tool. Here, students need to place their thinking skills. So, the creativity, and the developing of the projects. So, whatever they are thinking or whatever they are dreaming about, the stories. Every day they will listen stories from different persons. So that stories they can make it as the animations and they can develop the project by their own. So here I'm going to show you exactly what they are going to do. So let us take an example that there is a conversation. For example, I want to create a conversation between 2 animals. Let us design the small animation how it is going to work. Okay. So this is a Scratch and CS first platform. Here I'm going to show a sample demo. Now, to take it first for any of the program or the concept, first we want a background, right? So if you prepare a PPT or anything, we need just one background. So first of all, I want to take a background to my story. So I can just go to choose a background. Now from here, I'm going to choose a background which is suits to my programming or the project or the narration or story what I'm going to do. So I want to take, the dialogues between 2 animals. So I'm looking for the forest background. So here is the, okay. So now I want to take 2 animals, talking each other and making some conversation. To do that, either I can choose from existing spirits or I can download it from internet or I can paint it myself in the paint tool and I can upload it here. Okay, just you will use this upload spirit option to upload your new spirit. But if I want to use existing one, I will go to choose a spirit. Now I'll go to animal section. Now I want to pick up had, okay. I can use search tool. Okay, so I found have. Now here it is. Now I want to take one more spirit. okay, because it should be a dialogue conversation, right? So for example, let us take parrot. Okay, now here it is. Okay, oh, parrot is very big. I want to make, you know, a little bit customization to parrot. So what I can do is I can go to costumes and you know, select entire picture of parrot and make it resize. Okay, so now I changed it. Let's just back to core and make the position of parrot also ready. So I'm placing parrot on rock and Harry sitting on the grass. Okay, so now here is the thing. Now we want to make a story, right? So they should, story means it should happen some conversation. So here first I want to make Harry to start, you know, saying something. So to do that, first I want to instruct the Harry to do something. So in the programming, what we are going to do is in the look section, we can drag and drop one action called say hello. Okay, so say hello. Let me play this. Oh, Harry saying hello. Now, instead of hello, I want to change this text to hi, Parrot. We go for race. Okay, so this is good. Now, let me play this. Okay, just started saying something. Now, I want to make Harry to move. So, I want to drag an action called move. So, move. So, move is here. I want to, you know, make the Harry to move. You can see it is saying something and move 10 steps forward. Now, I want to repeat this action. Before repeating, you know, had when it is moving further, so it should just do jumping or that will be nice, right? So what here I'm going to do, I want to change the position of hat. So to change the position, basically, you know, if we consider this screen, that means the background as X and Y axis, that means X as the horizontal and Y as a vertical axis. We all learned in the past. Same concept here. So I'm going to use, I want to change Y position because Hap has to jump up and down. So to jump up, I have to, you know, increase the Y position of the hat where it is sitting. So how to change? Very simple. We'll just go here, select change Y by 10, and again it should jump down. Okay, so I'm going to select again by 10, but you know, minus 10 because it just up went up 10 inches and come down at 10. Okay, let me play this. Okay, said something. Now just move, but you cannot see that that is jumping because you know this computer is very fast. Here it is doing up and down very fastly. Now I want to pause it. So how to pause? We have something called events here. So in events there is a wait control. So I'll just drag and drop. So what we are saying now, so we are instructing her, say, you know, the word, whatever we have written, then move 10 steps further and jump up. That means get the position 10 up and then wait for 1 second and then jump down. Let us play this. Okay, we saw that it is just moving. Now I want to repeat this action. So what is repeat? Basically in programming we call this as a loops. That means the action whichever it is there, if we want to repeat it more than once, we will put that particular action in a loop. So here the action is called repeat. So what I'm going to do, I want to repeat from move action. Okay, so jump and move. So this action I want to make it repeated process for 10 times. Okay, let me play this. Wow, you can see it's just, you know, moving little bit. Now this is good. Now we just now in, you know, given instructions to have, you know, how to move further, you know, using programming. Now I want to give same instructions to Parrot to move further. Before that, I'm clicking here and the programming is executing. But instead of, you know, I was clicking the entire loop, I want to click on the flag and program should execute. It will be like, you know, whenever running race is starting, there should be 1, 2, 3, go. So that go button is equivalent to this when flag is clicked. So I will drag and drop this flag is clicked and I want to click on this action. One more. This sentence is very big. Okay, so I want to increase the seconds to 3 seconds. So you know that the conversation, whatever it is coming, it will wait for 3 seconds. Okay, now I want to make conversation for parrot also. So what I'm going to do, I'll just drag and drop to parent section. So if we see, we select parrot. Oh, again same code is created. Now I will customize a little bit for parrot conversation. So if parrot says, if has says, hi parrot, let's come for a running, then what this is going to reply, okay has, let us start race. Okay, and then as a parrot, here is the thinking part. Parrot, it will not jump up and down. It straight away flies, right? So here I'm going to remove the X and Y blocks where we have written for the jumping. So what it is going to do, it just simply fly. Okay. So 10 times I'm repeating, 10 for same seconds, 10 steps, it will just move. Okay. So here it is. Now if I run this one, if I click on flag, both will fly. But here if you see, straight away it is saying the dialogue and parrot also saying, so there is a possibility that both can say dialogue same time, but no one will do like this. So what I'm going to do, first have want to say hi, can we go for running days? So till this dialogue completes, I want parrot to make quiet. Okay, so it should be quiet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause. So wait section, I will move here and I will ask parrot to wait for 3 seconds and then say the dialogue. Oh, okay, have, let us start this. Okay, let me play this video now. Let's go bigger. Start. Okay, you saw, it just came forward there because I have given instruction 10 steps and 10 times repeat. So it was just came here. But if I increase the steps, it will go end of the paragraph. Okay. So this is the sample video animation which we are showing now. This is a small programming and it is very easy to develop and children will enjoy this session. And this is one of the tasks they are going to learn in level 1. And we have curriculum design which we will take the kids to do at the gaming level, so they can create their own games, they can create their own animations, they can make their superhero here, so all are possible. Okay, so this is, I think this demo has clarified you about what students are going to learn and what tools they are going to use it. Okay, so thank you so much, and further Usha will explain to you. Thank you.
So thank you, viewers. This is what the live, what Vanita showed is a very simple animation thing. But if you notice it, something here, child should come with their own imagination, their own thinking, their own story writing, everything we are giving to them to bring it out and showcase it to others, or what is there in their mind. Okay, we just don't want them to simply sit with the books, by heart it, or do something, write exams. No, there is nothing like that. They have to think their own characters, they have to think their own stories, and whatever surrounding they wanted to express something, but where no one is there to listen to them. Let them bring everything to us and we will show them how they can create their own imagination and how they can show it to their parents, to you, or let them express their views, their feelings, their inner skills, their understandings. Okay, so that you can identify really your child interested in what, whether they are really interested in studies or they are interested in something else, or they are interested in coding. Okay, what we do here, we identify those skills from your child and we will tell you what they are good in. So here the concept is like this: every child, based on their age group or based on their area of interest, we club them into groups as a classrooms, and that classroom child will be explained about the concepts and given one example of that story, and they can create their own stories as much as they want and submit it into the classroom again. That can be reviewed by our teacher who is assigned to that classroom. And if the child is stuck in somewhere by writing their coding, so we will there and then individually help them to understand all these 4 coding skills, what Vanita explained: analysis, analyzing, loops, functions, whatever it is. So your child will going to be submit their projects to us and we will evaluate them and we are going to provide them the maximum support, whatever they expect. So we wish all of you can join, send your childs to us, and you can see if they can be a future code crackers, or if they can be a musicians, or if they can be a writers, anything, whatever the inner skill they have, we will identify and we will give your child to you back. All you need is to do, just register through yourcoding.in and you will receive a confirmation enrollment email from us and give your child to us to make them future code crackers. Okay. Beyond this, and Ms. Rama will add you something, and how the class will run and what kind of platforms she's going to introduce. Rama, please take on.
Yes, Usha. First of all, I appreciate Vanita. It's really wonderful animation. Yeah, in the animation, Vanita has shown us 2 characters, how they are moving and how it is flying and how to create, create a background. Everything is good. And dear parents, what I would like to say is, not only a creating, suppose a child would like to explain an incident, if he see while he was coming to school or whatever may be the things happening around him, can also show in the animation whatever they have seen with their own eyes, and how to drag and drop the icons. It helps him to project his idea to the world. Really, it is a good platform. And here, as Usha said, for the registration details, yourcoding.in is the website address. You can log in into that and you can drop your details into that and you will get the registration. And those who wish to go with the online class and those who wish to go with the offline class, both have an opportunity. We are providing 2 dias. One is online, that directly you can sit at home and you can learn this Scratch program, which was explained by Vanita. And the same Scratch program, we are providing an accommodation in Springboard Academy, Tanuku branch. You all know, as Springboard Academy is Mr. Manju Vishnu sir, is the chairman. And it is one of the successful schools in Tanuku surroundings. So now it is giving a dias for ER coding and be the first to learn coding and make your children not be behind with others, because all are equal when they go for any competitive exam in future. It should help them. So both dias we are providing. For the details, first you are register into our website, yourcoding.in, and phone number is available. It is displaying and I have shared with the website. Through website also we have shared you. So you can contact us. You can drop your doubts in the website and we are here to serve you and give your children and take as a coding crackers. That assurance we can give you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Rama. It's a wonderful closer. And thank you so much, all the viewers and the parents. And we wish all of you on board. Our planning to start the classes from 1st April. And any queries, if you want to reach us, go through yourcoding.in, contact us page. Just drop your mobile number and write the query what you have. Our team member will get back to you on it immediately and we will help you in whatever the way you like it. As I told you, this is not just only for the children, anyone who interested to learn. Because see, even I sometimes will draw myself and the sketch on the books. But after seeing this, I'm doing my animations things by using Scratch. I'm enjoying a lot. This is one of the stress relief for me, though I'm elder. So this is not just for the children alone. Anyone who interested, please join us. Drop your details to us in yourcoding.in contact us page. Thank you so much for joining us once again. We wish all of you the best of luck and join with us. Yes, Mr. Brady, want to add something?
Thank you for all.
Anita.
Thank you everyone for watching the videos, and I hope you will register in our website. Thank you. Thank you so much.
From your coding team, thank you so much. Namaste.